This question is asking what is the measure of one interior angle and one exterior angle of a regular hexagon. Okay, so there's a couple things that are important here. The first thing I see is that we're talking about a regular hexagon. So that means that in this hexagon, all of the angles and all of the sides are exactly the same, because that's what regular means. All right, so I want to know what one interior angle is, and I want to know what one exterior angle is. All right, so interior angles. We learned a cool formula for interior angles. We learned 180 times the number of sides minus 2. That gives you all of the interior angles. But we want to know just one, so we're going to divide that into the number of angles that we have, which is the same as the number of sides. Now, this is the formula that we're going to use, but we need to know what to plug in for n. N is the number of sides. How many sides does a hexagon have? Well, it has 6. So I would do 180 times 6 minus 2, and I would divide that all by 6. All right, so whenever I do that in my calculator, 180 times 6 minus 2, I get 720. And if I take 720 and I divide it into 6 equal pieces, I get 120 degrees. So that is the measure of one interior angle. Now I'm going to do one exterior angle. We learned that all of the exterior angles add up to 360 degrees every single time, regardless of what shape it is. All right, if I take that 360 degrees and I divide it into the number of equal pieces I have, so in a hexagon I have 6, I'm going to know exactly how big one exterior angle is. So now I know how big one interior angle is, and I know how big one exterior angle is. And now I just want to really quickly talk about why this is important to think about them together. All right, if I draw a hexagon, it's not going to be pretty, but you guys are just going to go with it. All right, so if I draw a hexagon, this is the interior angle, this is the exterior angle. The interior angle and the exterior angle together need to make 180. So let's check ours. If the interior angle is 120 and the exterior angle is 60, do those two together make 180? Yeah, so that's pretty interesting.